Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Now, I've been really focused on energy lately, and for good reason. If you look at XLE, it's been in a nice uptrend and is near the highs. You can see how the high back here in June, and we're kind of near the high here in October. So I've been focused mainly on energy, but I sold my energy stocks today as I kind of felt the move was getting a little long in the tooth. You know, the chart is looking a bit extended here above all the major moving averages. And then after the close tonight, I looked at LNG. Now, this stock is not extended high above the moving averages. In fact, it's kind of just sitting on that daily 21 exponential period moving average. So I kind of like the pattern here on LNG. If I put a line here, you can see a clear resistance level right at that 176.69 zone. I will point out that they do have earnings coming up next week, and so if this stock doesn't break out before then, probably not a stock that I would buy because I don't like to not have a cushion in a stock leading up to earnings, especially in this market environment. And so this is definitely one that I'm watching, though, and I'm going to set an alert on my platform right around that 178.69 zone. So that's just one of many stocks that we're watching right now over at StockMarketMentor.com. And if you want to see what else we're up to, click the link below if you're watching this on YouTube, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.